In this video, Hotel Insider takes you on a journey through Luxembourg, showcasing 7 must-visit attractions and experiences, discover hidden gems, and explore what makes Luxembourg such an enchanting destination.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Departing from your accommodation in Brussels, proceed southeast towards the city of Luxembourg. Commence your exploration by visiting the historic core of the city, where a knowledgeable guide will lead you through the cathedral, the palace of the Grand Duke, and the iconic Place des Armes. Next, venture into the lower portion of the city for an awe-inspiring panorama of the Kirchberg district, which houses numerous European institutions. Explore the picturesque valleys of the city, including the abbeys of Neumünster, the Wenceslas, and the charming sights along the serene Alzette River. Welcome to Luxembourg, a charming European nation renowned for its rich history, stunning architecture, and delightful landscapes. During this tour, you'll experience the essence of our captivating city, guided by an expert local. You'll explore the heart of the capital, Luxembourg City, where you'll stroll through quaint streets and squares. Marvel at iconic landmarks such as the Old Town Hall, the Grand Ducal Palace, and the impressive Gothic-style Cathedral of St. Louis. Your journey continues as you venture deeper into the countryside, visiting the tranquil valley of former Neumünster Abbey, once serving as a penal institution for men until 1980. Embark on an unforgettable 2-hour guided walking tour through Luxembourg City, where you will have the opportunity to immerse yourself in the city's enchanting old town. Enjoy informative commentary throughout your journey, which will allow you to explore the primary landmarks while uncovering lesser-known treasures. This exclusive tour caters to individuals seeking a comprehensive understanding of Luxembourg within a compact time frame, ensuring that you fully appreciate the city's unique charm and beauty. Experience Luxembourg City like never before by joining this engaging and enlightening tour. Embark on an immersive scavenger hunt walking tour of Luxembourg, designed specifically for those seeking an engaging and memorable exploration of the city. This interactive adventure is accessible via smartphone, allowing participants to navigate and engage with the landmarks of Luxembourg City from their fingertips. Upon launching the scavenger hunt app on your mobile device, follow the instructions to discover 10 of Luxembourg's most significant attractions. Each stop requires solving a location-based riddle that can only be unlocked by physically reaching the designated spot. Embark on an unforgettable exploration of Luxembourg's captivating cityscape, guided by a knowledgeable local expert. Immerse yourself in the heart of the city as we traverse its iconic landmarks, including the bustling Place d'Armes, the picturesque Place Guillaume II, and the charming Chemin de la Corniche. Our journey continues into the historic heart of the city, where the grandeur of the Grand Ducal Palace stands as a testament to its illustrious pastas. We stroll along this ancient path, take a moment to appreciate the intricate architecture and rich history that defines this enchanting destination. Begin at the designated starting point within the bustling heart of the city. Accompanied by an expertly bilingual guide, embark upon a unique cycling adventure designed exclusively for those seeking to explore the capital's most enchanting locales in a seamless, efficient manner. Embark on a journey across the city's landscape aboard state-of-the-art electric bicycles, ensuring an effortless transition between destinations while minimizing physical exertion. The route avoids significant elevation gains, offering riders an unparalleled opportunity to appreciate the varied topography and verdant surroundings. This experience is provided by an independent localia will join a small group consisting of up to 6 individuals for this tour. Embark on a captivating journey through the heart of Luxembourg. Guided by a knowledgeable local expert, this exclusive opportunity offers a unique perspective on the city, allowing you to capture breathtaking images while exploring its enchanting corners. The tour commences near the majestic Grand Ducal Palace, a testament to the region's rich history. From here, you'll traverse the picturesque Grand District, immersing yourself in its charming atmosphere and discovering hidden treasures often overlooked by tourists.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.